This is an overview of land under the Setup menu in your John Deere Operations Center account with TELUS Equipment Solutions. In this part, we will discuss the purpose of land, webpage layout, and field management practices, including creating and editing new fields. We will create boundaries, guidance lines, and how to edit each. We will learn how to manage and add flags. The Land tool serves as the foundational building block for managing fields, allowing users to identify, name, and set boundaries as well as guidance lines and flags for improved efficiency and accuracy in fieldwork. Navigate to the Setup menu, then to Land, and you will be greeted by the landing page with a table of contents to the left. Land is divided into the headings of Clients and Farms, Fields, Boundaries, Guidance, and Flags. In the Client and Farms heading, you will be able to select a map or table view for your clients and farms. You are presented with a search bar, and beneath you can select Client, Farm, Field, and Archived as potential filters. Selecting the filter icon shows more options related to date ranges, data cleanup, boundaries, guidance, flags, data source, and archived. Select Done. Clients and Farms, Field Boundaries, Guidance, and Flags all have the plus Add button highlighted in yellow to the right, with each of the other options grayed out until each heading is populated with data. Creating a field allows you to manage and organize your farm's data, plan work, and analyze results. First, we will need to create a field using the Add button. Creating a field will open other options to us later on in the video. All required options are indicated by an asterisk. In this example, we will add our first farm and field. A base station drop-down is listed with no option for a base station. If you conduct business with TELUS, we keep these in our own organizational account. Click Save. You are greeted with a table of contents to the left showing field details where you can add an entrance, active boundary, autonomy, base station, notes, and acreage details. Created and last modified information is available. A boundary serves to define the physical boundaries of a field or area, facilitating data accuracy and enabling features like automated machine guidance and data collection. Boundaries also help in organizing and managing farm data, ensuring that it's correctly associated with specific fields. Let's create an active boundary. Click the caret down icon on the active boundary selector, then select Create Boundary. You are greeted with a Create New box with boundary selected. Draw a new boundary. No previous operations are available with this example, but you have the option to import that way. The boundary is associated with the field we created. Select Next. Navigate to Shapes and select Add Exterior Shape. Leave the shape name and type as is, and select the Polygon tool from the right-hand side and draw a rectangle over the area you desire. Double-click the last point to close the polygon and save. Go back to the boundary heading and select the boundary you just created. You can mark the status of a boundary as active or inactive. Boundaries can be irrigated and non-irrigated. Exterior shapes can have no headland, constant offset, top/bottom offset, and driven. Interior shapes do not have this option and are designated by whether or not they are passable. The guidance systems within the John Deere Operations Center are designed to improve efficiency, precision, and productivity in agricultural operations by helping operators navigate fields accurately and consistently. Select Guidance, then click the Add button. We will create an AutoPath boundary. It will be associated with our selected field, and we will use 30 feet for the spacing. Spacing is dependent on the equipment used. Select Next. We will need to change our headland offset from no headland to a constant offset of 60 feet. Select Save. Add an AutoPath plan name as Test 12. Preview track spacing is populated from the previous step. Headland for exteriors is set to an offset of 60 feet. With the option of aligned boundary, shifts can be established between headland and field tracks. Headland tracks can be inward or outward with a certain distance. Field tracks have directionality with a certain distance. Click Save. Flags serve as a way to mark and document specific locations or points of interest within a field or farm area. These flags are used to highlight various issues, including obstacles like weeds, wet spots, or underground utilities. They also allow users to record details about these areas, such as notes or photos, for future reference. Let's create an area flag to mark a pile of rocks. On the flag page, select Add. We will create a new flag as an area feature. It is associated with Field Test 1. Then select Next. On the left-hand side, under Flag Categories, select Edit Flag Categories. Here you can add or archive categories. Select Save or Cancel if you didn't add anything. Now, select the category of rocks. Enter in information in the Notes section. Then draw the feature on the map and click Save when finished. Go back to the main page of Land, and under Client and Farms, you'll notice on the right-hand side that you have options in the upper corner. In the next video, we will review the functionality of each. This completes the overview of Land Part 1. Please call 83022-442-77 to get in contact with one of TELUS Equipment's Integrated Solutions representatives.